Hello, everyone, and welcome to Nana's Holiday Workshop. This is an app built in AI Studio that will create for you gift cards, and very cool gift cards. Because I just took a picture of myself. I'll put myself as a cute reindeer. Recipient name I'll put Daniel, and of course you can write Mama, Daddy, etc. and so on. You can choose the message that you want to put, either the custom message. I'll just put here Happy Holidays. I selected cute reindeer. We have other selections here, and you can create your gift card. And yeah, now let the magic of Christmas and holidays unfold in front of you. And look at this beauty. You can easily, if you want, guys, it's beautiful. Look at this. You can easily download it. You can download it as a card, because if you want to get only the card, look at this. It's so cute. And this is exactly me. The picture just right now, I took it. You can use it on your phone. You can, if you want, you can download the full picture right here. And yeah, also, of course, if you want, you can share it to all of your socials directly from your phone. I'm gonna put this, so this is the only way you can see me, guys. This app will be available down in the description. Have a look through it, make a copy, make some changes, make more photos, share with your loved ones, and everyone. Happy holidays to all of you. Bye bye.